How to find a Chick-fil-A restaurant near you. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chick-fil-A on your device. Here, click on Find Restaurants at the top left. Then, add your address, city, and state or zip code. After you've done that, press on Search at the bottom. After you've clicked on Search at the bottom, it will lead you to this page. Here, you'll find all the restaurants nearby you. You can simply click on it to view details as well, and you'll also find date and time for opening and store closing. And also on the right side, you'll find map of exactly where it is. You can simply click on it and see. And this is how to find a Chick-fil-A restaurant near you. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.